Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Pixel Perfect. This powerful tool helps designers and developers ensure their web pages precisely match the original design mockups. By overlaying a transparent image of your design directly onto the live web page, you can visually compare and identify any discrepancies down to the individual pixel. It's essential for maintaining visual fidelity. Getting started with Pixel Perfect is straightforward. First, install the browser extension from your preferred browser store. Once installed, you'll find its icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on it to activate the tool. Make sure the extension has the necessary permissions to function on all websites, which usually involves a quick one-time setup. This prepares you for precise design comparisons. To overlay your design, simply upload your image file, such as a PNG or JPG, directly into the Pixel Perfect tool. Once loaded, you can adjust its position and opacity to align it perfectly with your live web page. Use your keyboard's arrow keys for fine-tuned, one-pixel adjustments. This allows for a direct visual comparison, helping you spot any differences between your design and the developed page. For advanced usage, leverage keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow when making adjustments. Always test your designs across various screen sizes and resolutions to ensure responsiveness. Effective collaboration with developers is key. Share your design overlays and discuss any discrepancies. While aiming for 100% pixel perfection is ideal, a 95% visual match is often a practical and excellent goal for most projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.